Welcome to letsbuildskill.com. Today we have come up with another course on our website with name SAP Performance Tuning and Optimization. This course is all about optimizing and tuning your SAP system to get the best output from the available resources. How in this course we will understand and learn how you can tune your SAP system and your database. In this course, I will be talking about the parameter optimization, performance optimization at SAP level and at the database level. During the course of the content, I will be concentrating on HANA database. We will also discuss about different aspects of optimization and performance tuning at ABAP layer as well. As a part of this course, we will try to figure out in case system is having any resource crunch. How to identify the resource crunch, meaning in case you have a dialog resources or if you have configured a batch resources in your system which are not sufficient to perform a particular task, and then your SQL queries or the end users are in waiting status. How we can identify such type of resource crunch in the system? We will talk about this. Followed by that, we will try to understand different parameters which can lead to a bad performance in your HANA database. We will understand different parameters of HANA which can lead to which can tune your HANA database. We will also talk about different bottlenecks in the system, maybe a memory bottleneck, maybe a CPU bottlenecks. Most of the time we see CPU gets spiked at database level and it remains spiked for some time and then it gets back to a normal utilization of 8 to 10%. We will also understand what is the reason behind the CPU utilization and the memory bottlenecks in the system. So as a thumb rule, we can say 80% or the 70% of the cases performance issue is there in the system is just because of a SQL query or set of few SQL queries. As a part of this, we will try to understand how to identify such queries which are expensive in terms of CPU, in terms of memory. We will also figure out in the course how we can identify a particular user or the responsible parameter which is bringing down the performance of your system. In we will also try to understand how many or or the queries, particular query which is expensive query in terms of execution time, maybe number of records fetches, what is the reason behind why the records fetches are very high, what are the conditions in the SQL query, how we can optimize a particular SQL query at HANA level and at ABAP level. We will also try to understand as a part of this course the network utilization by set of queries or by set of users or by a particular query. In HANA, we have a basic concept called as SQL executors and job workers. We will also try to understand how we can optimize the number of SQL executors and job workers so that you can run your HANA system and SAP system to the optimized level. From R3 layer or from S4 layer, we will also understand ST03, the load monitor, the different aspect of load monitor like bad dialog response time, bad RFC response time, or the bad batch response time. We'll try to understand how to interpret the data from ST03. We will also understand SQLM, how to execute the trace from SQLM and how to interpret the results. We will also learn about SMON as a part of this course. SMON is nothing but a job or a tool which can capture a data from your system in terms of resources availability. Meaning if you have less number of resources available in the system, this tool can capture the data. And then later on you can go for the details or the trace and identify at what point in time my system was having resource crunches. We will also see this part. After that, from the HANA side, we will try to understand what is HANA threads and analysis, how we can understand or how we can interpret different types of HANA threads which are responsible for a particular issue and we will also try to understand, we will also try to do some analysis for some issues. We will also go through different HANA threads, that is, we will also go through HANA dumps. That is, we have different dumps in HANA database like RT dumps, memory dumps, how to interpret the results of that dump, how to read that trace file. We will also cover this part in this particular course. How to read HANA call stacks, we will also cover this. So basically HANA call stacks are the heart of your analysis. You can identify the reasons and responsible from call stacks when you have performance issues. We will also try to cover the diagnosis file, how we can read diagnosis files which are available in HANA database. We will, as a part of this course, we will try to complete will try to completely understand different issues and different aspects of performance optimization in SAP system. I'm looking forward for you guys to join at least a demo, and then after watching our demo, you can decide to join the course. We will provide all the details for the demo and course on our website. In case you have any questions, you can mail us at info@letsbuildskill.com. Thank you.